Hey guys, I'm Stella. If you've never seen me before, it's my first time being here, and it's Ali's birthday.
And she is my friend, and she's having a sleepover for the first time because our other friend left to Australia, so I couldn't really bring her.
Well, I bring over some smellable confetti slimes that we're just going to be checking out today.
So let's open.
And if you do see me, if you're wondering, I seem a bit familiar. I'm off Mia David's channel before. If you've seen her. But yeah, I've got watermelon colour.
And I've got blueberry colour.
They smell just like it. So
Definitely.
I'm just taking this out right now.
Then,
look at that. That is beautiful. The thing is, it doesn't stretch. Oh my god.
Yep.
The pink does not stretch. I think the blue is like the stretchiest out of all.
Oh my god.
And then
I've got an orange.
Wait, are you on like real YouTube? Are you on YouTube Kids?
No, I'm on real YouTube.
So people can comment.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Mia's is YouTube Kids. No one can comment. Anyway, well, comment down below what we should do with the slimes. But we're not going to do like a whole really big video. We're just going to show you. So this is the pink slime. Nice with the little sparkles.
And then this is the blue slime. Looks like water,
I recommend the pink. The blue is my favourite.
Yeah,
the pink, my second favourite. This is the green slime. This is apple. So the blue was blueberry. And the pink was strawberry. Let's have a look at the green. Whoa. This green is really stretchy.
This orange is orange. Let's just take it out.
Yeah, it's an orange flavour, that fruit.
And it smells weird too. And it looks like that.
And that is all that we have today. Comment down below which was your favourite and what we should do next. Bye.